Let's talk about the Supreme Air Force One and why it is one of the only shoes that seems to be recession proof. It's restocking tomorrow, so we're going to talk about it just very quickly, and we're going to talk about why it is still reselling for good money and why you guys should go all out tomorrow for the Supreme Air Force One restock. What's up, guys? Soul State from Juiced. If you guys need any reselling help, be sure to check out Juice link down below. Now, let's talk about the Supreme Air Force One. It is going to be restocking tomorrow, and I think we need to look at if this shoe is still doing well enough that we should still be going for it, as hard as it seems that some people are, because tomorrow we are going to hopefully see a restock of these. So I wanted to make a quick video about it today and talk about why we should still be going for these. So let's check these out right here. These are the Supreme Air Force Ones. Obviously, I am only going to talk about the white pair. The black pair still does well. Decent. But the white pair obviously does the best. So I just wanted to look at some recent sales and see if we can check out where the value is. So as you guys can see, most prices are between the 140 to 175 range. Um, Obviously, we have some outliers in there, like a size 6 for 202, a size 7.5 for 203. But this shoe is still reselling extremely well. Now, we have seen other sneakers restock a ton in the past and not do well the more they get restocked. But the Supreme Air Force One always seems to do well. And I think the reason for that is it's just an iconic shoe at this point. I think we have those iconic sneakers in our mind that we always think about, but the Supreme Air Force One is starting to be that shoe. For a while, it was just the Air Force One Low, right? Just the traditional white one. Now we see the Nike Panda Dunk Low as being the shoe that everyone knows about, the shoe that everyone wears. But the Supreme Air Force One is right there, in my opinion, because this is an Air Force One that's a collaboration with Supreme that isn't ridiculously expensive and it's not that hard to attain. So more people are rocking the Supreme Air Force One than obviously just the regular Air Force One these days. Now, these shoes are coming out tomorrow. Again, retail $96. We should see them restock at the usual time on Supreme, at 10 a.m. Central for me. Um, they're going to be in the same place they always are. If you go to Supreme, if you go to the shop and then you go to shoes, they should just pop up right there. I'm not sure what colors are going to restock. I would think the white and black are going to restock for sure. I'm not sure about the wheat pair, but definitely the white and black. But the white and the black pair, I think you should definitely go for it. White pair, all sizes. Black pair, be a little bit selective on those. Make sure that you get the best sizes for resale. But all in all, the Supreme Air Force Ones are restocking tomorrow. And I do think that you guys need to go for these. I think that you need to go as hard as you can for these because we don't see a ton of sneaker releases lately that are profitable. So when we find one, we got to go all out for it. So the Supreme Air Force Ones are restocking tomorrow. Be sure to go for them. Be sure to go all out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Like this video as well. Push it through the algorithm. If you guys need any reselling tips at all, be sure to check out Juiced, link down below. Go check it out. We have everything you need, including all the info on the Supreme Air Force One Low. So go check it out. I will see you guys in there. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck on the Supreme restock. I'll see you for another video and a stream tomorrow. We'll catch you then. This is Soul State from Juice, signing out.